Looking for a great way to turn a USB 4 or Thunderbolt port into a very fast 10 gigabit Ethernet port? Check out this adapter from Acasis. Hi, this is David at Tech for Baba. Welcome to my channel. Consider subscribing if you like useful tech for the family like me. In today's video, let's unbox and try out this USB 4 to 10 gigabit Ethernet adapter from Acasis. If you have an Ethernet network up to 10 gigabits, but your laptop or desktop lacks an Ethernet port, this adapter is a great way to tap into that reliable and very fast wired Ethernet connection. The adapter comes in a typical Acasis package with a sleeve over the box. Inside the box, there's the adapter. Under the foam, inside this black box, a USB Thunderbolt 4 40 gigabit per second cable, and a multi-language user's manual. The Acasis adapter has a silver aluminum alloy metallic casing on most sides with ridges on the top and the bottom for rapid heat dissipation. It measures 3.44 inches by 2.52 inches and 0.94 inches thick. The two sides are covered in white plastic. One has the 40 gigabit per second USB 4 or Thunderbolt port. On the other side, there's a 10 gigabit per second RJ45 Ethernet port. It's also fully backward compatible with lower speed networks, 5, 2.5, 1 gig, 100 megabits, or 10 megabits per second Ethernet. Here I have it connected to one of my M4 MacBook Pro's USB 4 ports on one end, and to an Ubiquiti Flex XG 10G Ethernet switch on the other side. The adapter is bus powered. No need for a power supply and power cable. Great for portability and travel. It's also plug and play on Mac and Linux. No drivers needed. The driver is needed on Windows machines. Acasis has a link to it on its website. I'll put the link in the description. Under Apple menu, System Settings, Network, click on Ethernet, Details, and Hardware in the sidebar. I can see the negotiated rate is 10 gigabit per second. File transfer to and from my NAS on this 10 gigabit Ethernet network are almost 10 times faster than using Wi-Fi or 1 gigabit Ethernet connections. A file that takes over 20 minutes to transfer on Wi-Fi to my NAS now takes only a couple of minutes. Speed does come at a cost. While the aluminum body helps with heat dissipation, the adapter still gets quite warm under sustained heavy traffic, so make sure airflow is good around it. Acasis USB 4 to 10 gigabit Ethernet adapter retails for $119 US. There are discounts from time to time. I'll put a couple of links in the description if you'd like to check it out. The adapter leverages the Thunderbolt or USB 4 ports to add a fast up to 10 gigabit Ethernet port to a laptop or desktop. It's compact and portable, bus powered, instant fast and reliable wired network connection at home or anywhere with the Ethernet network. Have you tried other Ethernet adapters? Does it get warm? Share your experience with us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, help it out by giving it a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, subscribe and check out this video next. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, remember to cherish each moment.